5 real-life examples of the Metaverse. As the Metaverse moves further through the stages of development, it's easy to feel a sense of excitement for what's to come. With that said, there are some real-life examples of the Metaverse that you can participate in while the technology is still being developed. From gaming with your friends to attending a virtual concert by your favorite artist, the options for experiencing the Metaverse are abundant. Among the most common real-life examples of the Metaverse are gaming, social interaction, media and entertainment, virtual tourism, and the use of crypto and NFTs as currency. In this guide, we're going to explain how each of these examples ties into the Metaverse. Metaverse gaming. For avid gamers, the Metaverse serves as a virtual living room for interaction between teammates and friends. As more companies develop VR-based games, the ability to experience virtual fantasy worlds with other people is becoming more possible every day. In fact, some experts are saying that gaming is going to dominate AR/VR investments and will be the driving factor for the growth of the Metaverse. As FPS games and other quest-based adventures are upgraded for modern technology, they pave a path for other games that can be developed within the Metaverse. Social media interaction. Another real-life example of the Metaverse comes from how we interact with peers on a day-to-day basis. With social media, it can be difficult to feel the emotion behind a post without the use of a bunch of emojis. However, the Metaverse offers a new way to communicate with friends and family when they can't be there in person. A new kind of entertainment. Aside from gaming and social interaction, the Metaverse also paves the way for a new way of enjoying media and entertainment. From virtual concerts to virtual TED Talks, the Metaverse gives someone the ability to enjoy the media they love without the need to leave their own home. Not to mention, it may be more cost-effective in the long run too. Virtual tourism. Similar to the Metaverse's role in revolutionizing media and entertainment, there's also a space for virtual tourism. While many may compare this technology to that of Google's Street View, there is actually another VR tourism model that originated decades before Google did. The Aspen Movie Map was developed in 1979 by MIT and enabled users to take a computer-generated tour of Aspen, Colorado. This development was the first in terms of using VR to transport the user to a new place. For use within the Metaverse, virtual tourism will allow users to tour hotel rooms and towns to plan for upcoming trips, go house hunting from their own couch, or scope out a new business before trying out their products. Commerce evolution. The fifth and final real-life example of the Metaverse comes in the form of commerce. Once the Metaverse officially launches, the virtual world will rely on NFTs and cryptocurrency to exchange goods and services. But you don't have to wait until the Metaverse launches to delve into the world of crypto. In fact, there are several websites out there that can help a person learn to navigate the blockchain and achieve success with cryptocurrency mining and trading. As far as commerce goes within the Metaverse, shop owners will be able to create a virtual shop with virtual items that will allow the customer to try them out before buying them at the physical location. Rather than following strict border rules and regulations when it comes to foreign currency, the Metaverse won't have the same restrictions as they would in a physical location.